Administrative evolution of Telangana. In 1865, during the administrative reforms of the first Salar Jung, 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗚 Mir Turab Ali Khan, the Hyderabad state was divided into 16 districts under the Zilla Bandi system. Out of these, 8 districts now form part of present-day Telangana. In 1953, Khammam district was formed, and in 1978, 𝗪𝘁𝗵𝗄 district was created, increasing the number of Telangana districts to 10.
These 10 districts were initially reorganized into 31 districts. On February 17, 2019, 𝗪𝘁𝗵𝗄 district was carved out of 𝗪𝘓𝗏𝗪gar district and Muలుగు district was carved out of 𝗪𝗯𝗪𝗏𝗪 district. At present, Telangana has 33 districts, division into 7 zones and 2 multi-zones. Considering administrative and geographical factors and for government job recruitments, Telangana state has been divided into 7 zones and 2 multi-zones. 7 zones and their districts: Kaleshwaram zone, Bhupalapalli, Manchiryal, Asifabad, Pedapalli, Basara zone; Adilabad, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Jagityal, Rajana zone; Karimnagar, Siddipet, Siricilla, Kamareddy, Medhak; Bhadradri zone, Kothagudem, Khammam, Mahabubabad, Warangal rural, Warangal urban, Muలుగు; Yadadri zone, Suryapet, Nalgonda, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Janagam; Charminar zone, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Medchal, Sangareddy, Vikarabad; Jogulamba zone, Mahabubnagar, Vanaparthi, Gadwal, Nagar Kurnool, 𝗪𝘓𝗵𝗄. Multi-zone 1 includes zones 1 to 4. Kaleshwaram, Basara, Rajanna, Bhadradri. Multi-zone 2 includes zones 5 to 7. Yadadri, Charminar, Jogulamba. District statistics and key facts. Before reorganization, Telangana had an average district population of 35 lakhs, ranking 3rd in India. After reorganization, the average district population decreased to 11.35 lakhs, bringing the state to 17th position nationally. Important highlights: undivided district, Hyderabad. Most divided district, Warangal, divided into 6 districts. Largest district by area, Nalgonda. Smallest district by area, Hyderabad. Largest district by population, Hyderabad. Smallest district by population, Muలుగు. Highest forest area, Bhadradri Kothagudem. Lowest forest area, after Hyderabad, Karimnagar. District with highest mandals, 33, Nizamabad. District with lowest mandals, 9, Muలుగు. District with highest number of towns and municipalities, Rangareddy. Administrative units in Telangana as of 2024: Secunderabad Cantonment Board 1, Municipal Corporations 13, Municipalities 129, Revenue Divisions 74, Mandals 612, Villages 12,769. This administrative structure helps ensure efficient governance and balanced regional development across Telangana state.